Hello. Thanks so much for being here. I am going to type in load and press play on tape 1 and see what is what. Sorry that this video is a little off kilter. I'm using a table here that has it's found something. 4K memory poker. You know what? I've seen this trip before. As I said, I think they put the programs on the tape 2, perhaps 3 times in a row. And I think everything is okay. You know what I'm going to do, just because I can? I'm going to type load. And I'm going to press play. And I'm going to see what comes up this time. You never know, you know. I suspect it's going to come up, maybe, and say 8K memory poker. Now this should be interesting because, of course, this machine does not have 8K in it. So I can't imagine that it will be fine. But we'll see. First, I'm going to list it, and probably it's just going to be a sys number, because that's what these things seem to be. But we'll see. Oh no, there is more to it than that. Let's see here. Bad load or... interesting. So it looks like it does an awful lot of poking. Now, I can't imagine that this does not find something that is deficient. Oh, this one is counting up, because of course this machine is not fully populated. It just isn't. I wish in my documentation that there was, okay, what do we got here? Oh, look at that. Now, what does this mean? I'm not sure, but definitely if I had the documentation, I'm sure that would tell me what it... I would think that maybe that what it's trying to tell me is that there's trouble in the uppermost memory chips, I would think. Now, is this going to stop? Nope, it's not going to stop. Not going to stop. Oh, and the tape drive at this moment will not run. Interesting. If you're out there and you have had experience with these programs, do let me know what you know. And as I know that this thing will now just sit here endlessly, I'm not going to do that. We will move on. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I was thinking I might try and put this memory checker program into this other machine. And maybe I will. I'm also thinking I want to look and see if I can find the PET diagnostic in this little book. Oh, did you see that? See, on this machine still, I have not opened up the monitor, but still, on occasion, and it's often when the machine is ever so slightly tapped, you might see a little funny noise, and I think that that is definitely, there's a little tiny cable that runs between the computer and the monitor, and I think there is a little tiny bit of micro corrosion, and that on occasion, maybe it just isn't quite getting the signal. I don't know. Anyway, on occasion, weird things come up on the screen, but then they go away. And of course, when you want it to do it, it won't do it. So typical. Anyway, yes, I think I will investigate the contents of my other desk and see if I can find the PET diagnostics. I'm sure that would be helpful. Anyway, thanks for being here for this trip down memory lane and also figuring out what's what with these machines. Thank you very much for coming. Bye for now.